Dito kami sa restaurant, guys. Ano kami, we treat ourselves like, okay.
I mean, chicken leg. I got chicken leg.
Chicken leg, it's not. It's egg roll. Lumpia pa, guys. Ayan, malapit na maubos ang lumpia. Di pa dumating yung ibang order, guys. Yan, andito kami sa casino, guys. Yan, casino kasi may nagtumawag sa akin na kaibigan na gusto niyang matulog sa amin ngayon kasi magkakasino siya, takot siya mag-Uber ng mag-isa. So, ayun, sabi ko, o sige, pupuntahan ka namin. So, eto, kami, kumain kami. Yan yun ang ano doon, no? Mian. Where's the lumen? We finished the egg roll.
Let's go. Go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Yeah. Sarap ang ano, guys. Sarap ng egg roll nila. Ano lang ako para may i-upload ako, guys. Siya lang ang i-focus ko, guys, ha. Nabaliktad kasi itong ano ko. Nabaliktad yung camera ko ba. Automatic na ano ko kaagad ko. Hindi pa dumating yung order naming iba, guys. Naubos na yung egg roll namin. Gutom na kasi.
Oh, we got food.
Ha?
I thought we got food. I didn't know what to make and put it in a bag.
Ha?
I don't know how they know what to put in what bag. What they make.
They have numbers.
Confusing.
No, it's not. They have numbers. They have control numbers.
Uber. You put Uber in it?
Huh?
Uber? Eat Uber?
Uber Eats?
That's the bag up there?
No.
You're gonna finish this one? You sure?
No. I'm waiting for the...
Where's the food at?
Alright, there. Okay, thank you. Here. Let's see, ayan yung ano namin, pansit.
More egg roll?
Ayun, no, ha?
Oh, it's all the egg roll.
It's chicken. Yan. Ayaw ko sanang kumain, guys. Pero, kasi ano to eh, yung yan, ang tawag dito. Woo! Yan yung akin. Good? Ha?
Grilled chicken chunks.
I know, this is a good place. Ipaabot ko lang ng ano yan, guys. Pero may isa pa, guys, pero gutom na ako, kaya kumain na kami. Kakainin na lang namin yung calamari mamaya.
Good.
Paabot ko to ng ano, paabot ko ng yan lang aking gusto. May doon kumain. hindi na mahintay yung ibang order guys. Kain na, gutom na yun. Hindi kami nag-lunch eh. Naubos na yung egg roll o. Wala nang laman. Maybe that's our order. Ay, hindi. Can you finish that? Hintayin ko lang maging ano yan. They are Filipino baby.
Thank you. Okay.
No, good, very good. Thank you.
Mexican.
No, she's not.
Who's that?
Filipina. Malapit na guys. I-ano ko lang to ng 8 minutes. Ayan, gutom na gutom siya guys. Hindi pa dumating yung busog na ako. 8 minutes, I will end this. Para lang may i-upload ako guys. 8 minutes na, that's it.